What if I tell you Evernote is a journal? Let me show you what I mean. Every time we create a new note, Evernote will add the date and time of creation. Just go to the three dots and then note info, and here it is. This was created on the 19th of December. I can even change this if I want to. Let's change this one. And I'll create a new note here, new note. And if we go here, note info, this is the 19. I'm gonna call this one 19. And this one, I'm gonna call this one 15, okay? Click here and make sure creation date is selected with the arrow pointing down. Let me show you what I mean. If I create a new note, it's going to the top because it's the most recent note. But let's change the creation date of this one to the, I don't know, the 5th. And here it is. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much that we can do with this list. Let me show you. These are notes inside the consulting notebook simulating clients. But what you learn today can be used in so many different situations. For example, it could be meetings, classes, or even a journal. The first benefit here is the chronology. Just looking at the list, I know that this client was the last one I worked with, and before it, this one, and so on. And as you can see, all the notes have tags. For example, this one has lawyer, this is the business, and also Portugal, this is the country. So client P is a lawyer from Portugal. And again, let's say you're using this system for your meetings. The tags could be, for example, the name of the person, and another tag could be the company that person works for. So let's use the tags. Let's filter by, let's say, Portugal. We have here 7 notes, 7 clients that are from Portugal. And as you can see, Evernote is already suggesting other tags that are in this notes. So let's say we want to know how many lawyers. 1. And if you pay attention, you see that there's a lot of useful information here. The name of the client, the creation date of that note, or in other words, when I started working with that client, and the tags. It's a lawyer from Portugal. And if you right click here, you can add many other options. Like I said before, there's a lot we can extract from here. For example, how did I do on my last quarter? Now, instead of tags, let's choose created, July the 1st until September the 30th. And here we go again. 7 clients during the last quarter. And what about the year? Let's check the year. Clear here. Created. Let's select here January the 1st and December the 19th. 32 clients. Take note of that, and let's compare it to last year. The 1st until December the 31st. 2 clients. And of course, you can always build on top of what you already have. Let's say, for example, you want a journal of your meetings. Let's first select all our client notes here and add a tag. Let's call it clients. You'll soon understand why I'm doing this. And create a new meeting. We can use whatever we want here in the title. Our meeting. And we can take notes here. This note will have the meetings tag. And now if I want to see a meetings journal, all I have to do is select the tag meetings. And here we have it. Of course, we can make this a little better, right? Let's go to the Evernote Corporation client note and add the meetings. and we can jump to any of this, clicking here and come back to the parent note. Pretty cool, right? I almost forgot this, but now that we have notes for clients and notes for meetings, you have to choose the tag if you want to filter the notes like we did before. For example, if we want to filter the last quarter notes, we have to add the tag clients, and here it is. What about you? Have you ever thought of using Evernote this way? Thanks for watching. See you soon.